हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी? एंड आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे हो। गाइस, टुडे वी हैव टीम इवेंट एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव बुक्ड वन गोल्फ। सो इट्स अ वेरी फेमस ब्रीवरी इन Hyderabad. So let's go and I'll meet you there. Guys, so finally we have reached our destination, which is One Golf, and let's go inside and explore. So guys, Padma has also come. So are you enjoying, Padma?
Excited. Nice place. Ambience is good actually.
We are going to play golf today and I will be playing golf for the first time and I'm very excited, guys. I don't know the rules, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Here we have the wood section and also there we have DJ. So we have music as well, so we are going to dance also. So yes, let's show you the ambience. Come on.
Be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high. Be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
finally we have enjoyed a lot, and we have Padma who will give rating about this place. So yes, Padma, did you like it?
Yeah, we have played the golf and the ambience is really good, really awesome, and I like the food as well, especially the biryani, and they played the DJ. Music was awesome and we had fun, we have danced. I didn't like that they didn't play the Bollywood or Tollywood.
Okay.
That I don't like. So out of 10 I give only 9 points because of
For
the
dance
music.
and to food?
Food actually 8 of 10.
Okay, okay. Padma is giving 10 out of 10 to this beautiful ambience. How was your experience in One Golf?
Yeah, I really like this place, and more than the place, I like the company. The people with whom I came here, they were really fantastic. I really had a great time. I don't know how the last 3-4 hours passed.
I don't like
It's
this.
already 10 past 11.
Okay,
I'm really
okay.
happy.
How much you will rate overall to this place out of 10? Huh? Why you are giving less?
I don't like I don't like it's not I don't like, but I can say like only one game which is there hold. Other than that, it's nothing is there. Snooker is there, but I like snooker.
Okay.
Snooker is not allowed.
Okay. We have mixed comments. Some people really liked it and some people are giving low rating. Let's listen from Vivek. How much you'll give?
I will give 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Pasta was nice. Drink was nice. Vodka with cranberry was very nice.
Okay.
And golf was a nice experience. So total, I will give 7 out of 10.
So guys, finally we are leaving. It's 11 p.m. in the night and we had lots of fun. We enjoyed a lot. So definitely you can try One Golf. It's a very good place where you'll get different combination. Like here we have sports, dance, music, have team parties, and you can also come with family. So if you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.